Hmm. Hello, good day. I'm not sure how you come upon this video, whether you scanned a QR code on a jacket or you met me in person and I gave you a card. I want to expose you and explain something to you that you've probably never seen before. It's a very simple, easy method of earning some extra money from the comfort of your home. If you have a computer, you have a tablet, or if you have a cell phone. Now, I am not promoting any get rich quick scheme. I'm not saying you're going to be going out tomorrow and be making $5,000, $10,000. I'm not even guaranteeing you anything. All I'm showing you is what I do and what I lead a group of other people and how they make money. It's called NADEX binary option. Now we trade on NADEX and we've been able to earn an okay living. We're not millionaires, we're not claiming to be. But I want to show you how simple it is. You don't need to go out rushing out and buying these $100 and $1,000 courses from these so-called gurus. These people are not traders. What they're doing is they bill a subscription, and because of the size of the subscription, the money that they're making, that's how they make their living. But as far as being able to do this profitably for themselves, that's what they can't do. Now I have a series of video on my YouTube channel, NADEX Cash Printer. You can log in anytime and just look. I always post the day's results coming down, just as it is in the Telegram chat, just as we call the trades, just as people take the trades. Nothing filtered, nothing edited. Just as it is, you get to see it. You hear me call the trade, and there's lots of pictures, lots of videos, so you actually see the results. You can actually even pull up some of the charts on your own device and see this happening in real time. Now if you really want to know more, you can email me at nadex cash printer, that's NADEXCASHPRINTER at gmail.com. There's a lot of videos there, and you're going to be see one after the other after the other. If you don't believe me, after you finish looking at it, shoot me a message. I will actually bring you live to sit and watch us trade. See these trades firsthand for your own self, and then you make a decision. If you have experience, the learning curve is going to be a lot shorter. But if it's something brand new, totally different to you, then I have a program where I could put you in, and when you come up to speed, then we can move you over across the way we call the VIP. So you'll be able to see exactly how on a daily basis we just walking away from the table with money. My name is Daniel Cox, and I'm the founder of NADEX Cash Printer. I will put the link to my channel on YouTube and to my group on Telegram. Have a wonderful day and God bless.